Good morning, friends. We're doing a what I eat in a day vlog, and today's video is made in partnership with Dymatize, which I'm so excited because they are my favorite plant-based protein powder. The only ones I use, they taste so good, so we'll get more into that later. Right now, it's about 7:30 and I've got to go get a workout in, so let's get sweaty. Whew. Workout is done. That was intense. I did a 60-minute boot camp class, so they're like a combination of running and weights, and if you ever just really want to get your butt kicked, that's the way to do it. I only do classes like that like probably once a week, sometimes twice a week, but I like them. They're really good. So I'm gonna go shower and then we're gonna make breakfast. We're gonna make this protein banana pudding, like banana cream pudding. So good. I can't wait to show you guys how to use it. Use the Dymatize vanilla protein powder in there. Works out perfectly. Oh, I'm dreaming of it already. Let's shower so we can eat breakfast. There are two flavors of the Dymatize Complete Plant Protein, chocolate and vanilla. I love both flavors because they are very creamy and smooth. I've used them for, of course, making protein shakes, but they're also great in protein baked goods, protein pancakes, or mixing straight into vegan yogurt like we're going to do today for breakfast. The Complete Plant Protein has 25 grams of plant protein per serving and no soy ingredients. The protein powder is made from a blend of 5 plant-based proteins: pea, brown rice, watermelon seed, pumpkin seed, and chickpea, which is also so cool because I never knew that watermelon seeds had protein. And it also has a complete protein and amino acid profile too. I will have the protein powder linked down below for you, but I seriously can't recommend it enough if you're looking for an awesome plant-based protein powder that isn't chalky and has great flavor. The Dymatize protein powder has definitely been essential in helping me hit my protein goals every day. I usually have it at least once a day, but sometimes I even have it twice a day like I did today. This breakfast is so easy to make. Just mix vegan yogurt, Dymatize vanilla complete plant protein powder, and banana cream pudding together. The protein powder helps to turn it into a thick and luscious texture, and it is completely smooth, no grittiness. You also don't need to add any liquid to this. Just give yourself a little arm workout with some good mixing. The vanilla flavor is light and just enhances the overall sweetness with the banana. The texture is honestly just too good in my opinion and really can't be beat. So then I'm going to scoop it into a cute little bowl and just spread it out so it looks all nice and presentable. Then I top it with some thinly sliced bananas. Of course, if you want to do a different fruit, you totally could. And some blended up protein cereal to give it a graham cracker feel. And there you go, breakfast that tastes like dessert and packs in some awesome plant protein for after my morning workout. I also sometimes like to meal prep this ahead of time and just leave it in the fridge, and it almost gets a mousse-like texture. If you are a banana cream pudding pie lover, try this and trust me, you won't be disappointed. For lunch, I wanted to make sort of like a vegan chicken salad. So I had this leftover vegan chicken that I had from dinner the night before. So I just kept it cold and I cut it up into little bite-sized pieces. I had seasoned this chicken with like a taco seasoning, so it already had a little flavor in there. So I'm just cutting that up, and then I'm going to cut up some carrot and also some cucumber. Like I said, I just kind of wanted like a little vegan chicken salad type thing. I'm going to use also some green onion for a little brightness and freshness in there, and then putting that all into a nice big bowl. And then I'm going to add some caramelized onion dip in there, scoop that in and mix it around. This will give like a creamy element, and I was just mixing and letting it all come together. I added some hot sauce too because I just felt like I wanted a little bit of that in there, and that was pretty much it. Super easy. I took a piece of sourdough bread, added some of that chicken salad on there. I also just ate whatever was left because there was like a decent amount that I couldn't get on the bread, so I was like, okay, I'll just eat this. And then on the side, I cut up a tomato because I just love fresh tomatoes. I have some lupini beans, and then I'm also going to add a pickle on the side. And I also enjoyed this with some watermelon because I'm just trying to savor all this summer goodness. And there we go, a beautiful lunch. My lunch is usually my biggest meal of the day, so this was super yummy. My goal for 2023 is to read 24 books, and I'm currently on my 23rd book, so I will definitely reach that goal. This book is called The Ruins. It's okay. I'm not loving it. Maybe I'll let you guys know what I think when I'm done. I have like another, 200 something pages to go. It's like about friends who are on vacation and they meet somebody, and like they meet these other people, and his brother is like an archaeologist, and they're in Mexico, and they're going to like mine ruins because then he can't get in touch with his brother. And I don't know, it's kind of like a little bit stupid because I'm like, why would these 4 people go with complete strangers to look for someone else's brother in the middle of the jungle? But I'm trying to like put that aside because the girl that I love on TikTok, who I get most of my book recommendations from, she like really rated this high. So I'm trying to like be persistent with it. The only thing I don't like is that there are no chapters, which is like good if you get really in the zone and you're just reading and reading and reading, but then to like not have any just like sort of natural pause or break within the book feels a little weird. So this is what I'm reading right now, and it was also a movie, so maybe after I finish reading it I'll watch the movie. But yeah, I went and ran a few errands, went to the food store. Do you say food store or grocery store? Everyone always thinks I'm so weird for saying food store, but I'm like, it is the food store. So I did that, and then yeah, I answered some emails. Today's like a pretty chill work day because, so you guys know I like set up the seasons now, like we're doing season based things. So we're in between right now, fall, summer and fall season. So if you haven't seen the summer recipes, go check them out because there's still plenty of time to make them, but the fall season's starting in a few weeks, and like I'm gonna start filming those things soon, but I just want to like give myself just like a moment in between. I'm really excited for the fall recipes. They're gonna be so good. But yeah, so I think I'm just going to like read and relax, and it's like a pretty chill day, which is fine. That's, like I said, it's how I kind of schedule things, and I know once fall starts, we're in it till the end of the year. Yeah, I will check back with you guys in a little bit, and who knows, maybe by the time I check in, well, I'll finish this. I finished the book. I was wrong. I had 250 pages, so it's almost 7 o'clock. I finished it like an hour ago. I don't recommend it, honestly. Like I said, there's a movie. I think I might just watch the movie just because I want to see it. But I don't know. For a book to have no chapters was just the weirdest thing to me. Like, I did not like that continuous reading. And honestly, I just felt like the plot was so dumb. Whatever. So, done with that. We'll be on to the next one soon. Anyway, I'm gonna make dinner. I'm thinking I'm kind of in the mood for some like vegan tofu parm. I bought shishito peppers today, so I kind of want those. So we'll see what I come up with. And then I'm thinking for dessert tonight that I want to try to make like a chocolate, sort of like protein, like a chocolate protein cake, you know, like something like that. Fun. I don't know. We'll see. So let's go to the kitchen. So I started up by slicing some super firm tofu. You could use extra firm or super firm tofu for this. And if you need like a fully in-depth recipe, I do have one on the channel already. And then I just sprinkled some nutritional yeast over it and add a little spray oil. That goes into the oven, bake it for like 15-20 minutes. I had these shishito peppers and I was so excited to make these, so I sprayed them with oil and I put those in the oven as well. It made like a really nice blistery effect on them. Then I took the tofu out, I flipped it, and then I'm going to add some sauce on there. You could add any sauce you like, as much or as little as you like, and then I'm just spreading it out with a spoon. And then I'm going to add some vegan cheese. I didn't have vegan mozzarella, so we're using a vegan Mexican style. It's fine, doesn't really matter. Pop that back in the oven for everything to get warmed through and nice and melty. Look at how good those peppers look. I love doing them in the oven. I've never done that before. So easy. Add a little lemon juice, red pepper flakes, and salt. So delicious. I love shishito peppers. If you've never tried them, you have to. So then I just plated that up with my tofu parm, and yeah, this was such a yummy, easy dinner. And it was quick, you know, because at the end of the day, I just don't have the patience to keep cooking anymore. So now we're on to desserts. We're using the chocolate Dymatize Complete Plant Protein now. And it has the same sort of ingredients and base as the vanilla from earlier, just obviously with a chocolate flavor. This one's so good. I love it. I just love it in my smoothie bowls. So into the ramekin, I added the protein powder, almond flour, chocolate pudding mix, baking powder, mixed all of our dry ingredients together. And then for the wet ingredients, we did a little agave and non-dairy milk and mixed this up until I got like a batter. And then I also added in a few little vegan chocolate chips. I was trying to like make it a little bit like a lava cake, you know, but either way, it came out delicious. I baked this in the oven for like 15 minutes at 350. This is what it looked like when it was all done. And it was just like the perfect little sweet treat at the end of the day. So good. And I just love getting that little extra sneaky protein in there from the protein powder, because you don't taste it. You don't notice it in there. It just adds to the chocolatey-ness of it all. So good. So it's about 9 o'clock now. Obviously you saw I had dinner, I had my dessert. The dessert actually came out really good. It was like a little soft on the inside. I probably could have cooked it for a little longer and also put it in a little more baking powder, but I was impatient and I just wanted my dessert. So yeah, that was my day. Pretty low key, pretty chill, but filled with lots of good food. Finished my book, did some work, did some errands. So, you know, an efficient, good day, got a good workout in. And yeah, a big thank you to Dymatize again for partnering on this video with me. I hope you guys check out the Dymatize protein powder. I swear it's literally the only one I use, I eat. It's the only one I like. It actually like got me back into having smoothie bowls last year because I wanted the protein powder, because I was like, oh, this actually tastes good. I'll have everything linked about them down below if you want to check them out. And yeah, so I'll see you guys. My next video will be starting the fall season. So I'll see you on September 13th with our fall recipes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.